Hello everyone, today we will take a look at the website Celonis.com. Celonis is a leading platform in the field of process intelligence and process mining. Their main goal is to help businesses find hidden inefficiencies and optimize processes across departments and systems. Celonis offers powerful tools that combine AI and deep data analysis to transform operations. Companies using Celonis have reported freeing up millions in working capital. For example, GE Healthcare improved its cash flow by $1.3 billion. Celonis solutions cover industries like banking, insurance, manufacturing, and consumer goods. On the pricing side, the platform does not offer standard public plans. Instead, companies must request a personalized demo or trial, which you can easily do through the Try for Free button on their site. Celonis has also launched more than 300 pre-built applications in their marketplace to speed up digital transformation projects. One of the strengths of Celonis is its ability to show companies exactly where processes break down using real-time data insights. This allows businesses to fix problems fast and improve customer experience. Today, over 2,000 consulting firms and numerous Fortune 500 companies actively use Celonis to improve their operations. If you are curious to see how Celonis can help your company, you can find the link in the description. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next reviews.